channel and welcome back to another weekly vlog or like a few days in my life. And I woke up today and I have an event around 11:30 and it's 9 o'clock right now. I woke up a while ago because I had the worst cramps, not the worst cramps but bad cramps. Like I got my period last night, so I'm kind of struggling right now, but we still like lately I've learned to just try to not think about it and ignore it and focus on other stuff so that the pain isn't that bad. So that's what we're gonna do now. I also use the heating pad that Riya got me. If you saw my birthday vlog, you know what I'm talking about, and it was helpful, bro. I'm so happy I used it. But yeah, so now I'm just sitting here and I don't know what should I do. Like, should I have something? Should I have matcha or should I eat something? Like, I'm so lazy to go and make it, but at the same time I also want something. Now we're just gonna see what to do, and I have to get ready, go for the event. I hope I can do that, and I'm gonna vlog the day for y'all. Guys, I just had a bath and my mom is the sweetest. She made me fries right now because she knows I was hungry and I wanted something filling before I go for the event, and I'm so excited. I love homemade fries. Like ignore the way I look, I need to get ready, but yeah, I am so happy with my meal. Yay! Look at it. Hi guys, so I have left. I am on my way to the event. This is my full outfit. Yeah, I'm just wearing black trousers below this. I didn't want to dress up a lot, but still this is what I am dressing up as. And yeah, we're gonna reach the event soon. I'm not that hungry now that I had the fries. Let's see, but I think hopefully we get some good food there. I don't know, let's see. And I don't even know what the event is about. It's just an Airbnb event and there's no such details as what's gonna happen. They just said that Airbnb is gonna launch their new Bollywood ambassador or something like that, but we don't know who, so we're gonna see that, and that's gonna be interesting. I just spoke to Muskan and she told me she's coming. I didn't know anyone who was coming, and now she's coming, so at least I have someone. Okay, great. The cab dropped me at some wrong gate and I walked so much and I'm finally inside the mall. Oh god, it was quite a walk, but okay, let's go. We have made it. I was telling them I haven't met you since a month or more than a month. Happy birthday. I'm not giving her happy birthday kisses. I was telling them we were trying to make plans. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Then my travel. Then you went for a trip, and then Satlu's also going, and you also went. I am meeting Satlu. Riya is the only person who I have not met. I've not spoken to her. I've not. Satlu is the only person I've not met. I'll meet her today. But yeah, we are matching also, kind of. Kind of. I'm taking this top on my trip. Because her? Yeah. Cute. Wait. Twin. Twin. Cheers.
Same camera.
Same. Yours is Mark 2 or Mark 3? Yours is 2 or 3? Oh, minus 2. Oh. Big sister and small sister. Yeah. Cute. तुझे होता है कैसे कैमरा का फोकस? बहुत होता है ब्रो. आई लिटरली एसी में एसी के बाहर टच करती रहती हूँ. कीप इट ऑन ऑटो.
Something on that bucket list, but a great.
So glad to be able to do this for you guys and with you guys. So thank you. Thank you so much, Sarah.
I made Anam try and she liked it. Yes. Liked it.
So wrong. She's a macho guy. Like he's a macho man.
Chal, now you taste and tell me how is it.
Did you mix it?
Yeah.
You need to put. Guys, it's a very different flavor.
Maybe it's not December yet.
Love it, bro.
You'll get used to it. For sure.
I love matcha.
Ah, nice.
This strawberry thing.
On my mission to make everyone a matcha girly.
I really like this because it's more lemon than.
Yeah, then matcha. But as a starter.
Yeah, it's nice.
focuses at the right time. But hi Riya, Riya's here. Hi guys. I told them in the vlog that I used the hot bag.
Yeah, no, it's very nice.
It's must. Riya's birthday.
It's very warming.
Yeah.
It's outfit iron.
Guys, you all saw him, he was right there. No, that was funny. I think he'll come now.
What's up?
Look who's back. Yeah, what a random meet. No, I went home and I changed my outfit because Silas forced me to come out with him because he is hungry apparently at 4 p.m.
अकेले खाने में मजा नहीं आता है.
Okay, so now we are going and eating something. And what else do you want to say? Where's your YouTube video?
Yeah, it's coming guys. It's coming
update.
next week.
3 weeks have gone by since that video. It's coming next week. When is it coming?
The thumbnail is ready, boys. Want to see? Okay, I'm going to see that. I'm going to show you all the thumbnail.
Are you for legit gonna show
Yeah.
it?
Guys, ready to see?
Bus. That's it. If you understood what that is, then good for you. How can someone eat so much? Like, who are you?
क्या है मैडम आपको? खाने को ना शांति से.
Hi you guys, this is the next day and first of all look at my cute little hairstyle. I was having a really bad hair day today and I wanted to switch things up and I just got this. I tied a pony and then tied a braid. I used to do this a lot when I was a kid and I think it's so cute. Also my hair has stayed in this all day, like it's almost evening now and I did this in the morning and I think it's quite cute. And I also voted today, if you can see. I'm going to show you all some really good things. Wait, I'll show you. I went for the Airbnb event and they gave us a really pretty package. Like, it's so pretty and there were a lot of things inside and I transferred it into this bag because the box was just like, it was too hectic to pack it all again. And I want to show you all. They also it came with this tote bag, Airbnb, so I just put all of it in it. These are like teas and this one's a Moroccan mint flavor and this one's a royal brew. Green tea blend with cinnamon, cloves and rose. Oh my god, that's gonna be yummy. And I'm not a tea person, but I think after having matcha is obviously a type of tea, so I might like these. I don't know. My mom's also really excited. We both gonna try these. These diffusers that you can put and add essential oils to it so that you can like smell it and stuff. Oh wow, this is a detox bath salt. Like, wow, I don't know how I'm gonna use this because I obviously don't have a bathtub over here, but it says rose bath salt. Oh my god, I think I should smell it. Oh my god, that's, I wish you all could just smell this right now. It's so pretty. It literally smells like, you know, when you're traveling and you stay in a hotel and you go to their spa or something, or there's a particular smell that's going on. It's that kind of smell. It's really pretty lavender vase, or not a vase actually. You can put anything in it. They've given us a lavender essential oil with it, so maybe like I can use it with the diffusers. I can put this in it and then add the lavender oil in it. Let me smell it. Oh my god, I wish you all could smell this. This is already so calming. Wow. Yesterday there was this aroma kind of bar where you could make your own diffuser and like you could make your own essential oil, and this is the one that I made, and mine is lavender and jasmine together. Oh wow. Bro, all of this is feeling so relaxing. Like, I just feel like I want to go to a spa and like just relax after smelling this. It gives you that kind of vibe. And lastly, they gave us a cute bottle, plain black bottle, I think, with Airbnb, the Airbnb logo here. Yeah, I think this is a really cute, like you can use this anywhere you go. Wow, so that's what I wanted to show you all in the vlog. I'm like, I'll show you all that, and I also wanted to show you my cute little braid that I did. Like, I never do something like this to my hair. I used to do that a lot, and finally my hair is growing out. I feel like it is growing, so I can do something like this. So yeah. Hi guys, today is the next day and we are heading for a Uniqlo event right now, and I am just deciding what I should wear. Basically Uniqlo is a lifestyle clothing brand and it's not like very fancy, it's very like basics and winter wear and stuff like that. So I don't know what to wear actually for the event. It's a launch event, so I'm just saying I don't want to dress up a lot. I want to be like basic but yet look good. So let's see what we have in mind. I have this one skirt, I don't know if you can see. It's quite like wrinkled, I need to iron it, but it's like a balloon skirt. Picked this denim vest, quite cute, and this denim bag matches with this. I think it looks very cute, and these heels match with my skirt. Yay! I think I've done a good job. I'm feeling cute, so successfully left. This is Sahil's outfit.
This is from Private Limited, guys. This shirt is, so this trend is called something. This shirt is called something.
Box shorts.
No, something it's called like I don't know. कुछ तो बोलते हैं इसको.
Okay, tell us if you know what this shirt
Yeah,
is
but like guys, it's really an amazing shirt. You all should check it out. Private Limited.
And this is my outfit. I already showed you all. And it's 7:32 and no wait, the exact time is 7:38 and Sahil is on time. Today in fact he did leave at 7:30. Normally he tells me the time and he doesn't leave at that time, so
मैंने बोला मैंने आपको मैं निकलूंगा तो मैं टाइम पे ही आऊंगा.
Okay. Look what we just saw. Bershka is opening. I didn't even know. Oh, it's gonna be huge. I think it'll take a while though.
It'll take a while.
More
bro.
6-7 months.
Yeah. I think 3 months more and it'll be out.
Now let's go. We are gonna go and eat something because I haven't eaten and Sahil has eaten, which I am not happy about because that means I have to eat alone. And I don't want to eat
give you
alone.
company, no Kanchi.
Yeah. We are eating on my vlog, Anshai.
Standing hai. I'm not sure.
Hi guys, so we just got done with the event and it was good. Uniqlo, so excited for Uniqlo to be a why Sahil looking at me like that. We actually saw a lot of stuff and we're going to come back and shop properly, but today we just like checked out all the stuff and then we went to eat and now we're going home. I'm going to end the vlog very fast because my battery is so dead. Not my battery, the camera's battery. And yeah, it was a good day. It was a good day overall. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this vlog and I'm gonna see you very soon next week, and until then go watch my previous videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and tell me what you want to see next, and tell Sahil to post his YouTube video. Bye bye.